everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am bored again. Derek went to go get his coffee, and I have a few Zoom meetings today, and I wanted to do my face, but I wanted to show you how to do like quarantine face. So like if I was going out to Target pickup, things like that, I do my face sometimes, not every time, because who cares? It's quarantine. No one's gonna see you. Okay? So first off is my hair. With my hair, I do like a really strict routine. I work at it so I make sure it looks its absolute best. So what I do is I take it out of my ponytail. I don't brush it. And I just like pull all of my hair back so I look like a nice big toe. And then I just nice and tight. There we go. Boom. Hair's done. Very strict routine. Oh, my lotion isn't in here. I'll get my face lotion in the back. So my apartment's a mess, and I was literally found it's in there a pile of dirty clothes. So I use this Ultra Repair Facial Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. It's for sensitive skin. I have like hyperpigmentation here and like really dry cheeks but like really oily forehead, so okay, my hands are definitely dirty. Okay, whatever. I tried to use my camera today, but my camera was dead. Oh, I also found footage on my camera. It was somehow didn't delete it. I usually delete footage right away as soon as I import it to my computer. But I have footage from that San Francisco trip I took with my sister. If you guys want me to throw that video together really quick, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I will do that for you. Put chapstick on. I got this one in my Ipsy pack. It's the Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. Chapstick. I got this primer from my Ipsy bag. It's nice and dirty. It's the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. And I put this all over my face. So when I do my quarantine makeup, you'll see, but I only go from like here up. But I do put the primer all over my face because I feel like it feels really good. So the next thing I'm using is this Be Bright Illuminating Concealer from the brand, I think it's Be Bright, I don't know, in medium beige. Oh, it's Koki Cosmetics. Koki Professional? I don't know. So I got this again in my Ipsy bag, but this is like really good. Like really surprisingly good. And I only do boom, boom, and like, oh, I was way too in my inner corner. Right there. It's like only where people will see it, you know? Because if people aren't seeing your face, then what's the point? And I just take my like beauty blender, which is dirty, and I just start. My mirror's over here. I'm just gonna use my mirror. Do you ever like wash your beauty blender and it smells like soap, and you're like, this for sure has soap on it, and you just kind of keep going? So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand. I do one pump, maybe one and a half pumps. And I just do it directly on the sponge. I think people do it on their face or on the back of their hand. I feel like that wastes some product, so I'm going to do it directly on the sponge. I'm just going to like do dots on my face. And like I kind of keep the, like if I'm going to go out, I'll keep the majority of it right here on my cheekbones and my eyes and my forehead. But since today I am doing meetings like on Zoom, I'm just going to drag it down. Wow, my mustache is like here today. It's fine. And honestly, that's about, like, I don't do more. I just kind of spread it around. So it kind of gives like a nice natural look. Alright, the next thing I do is I also kind of like let that dry on my face. But I'm going to take this Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. And I've had this for about a year now, so I used to like be very, because it's kind of a small container and I paid like a solid amount of money for that. I used to take just the tiniest bit and just set my under eye. But since I've had it for a year now, I feel like I've made it last long enough where I just kind of go ham. Top lid. Oh. It's too much. Too ham. Too ham. I have like really oily eyelids, and my like eye makeup just like my nose is really itchy. My eye makeup just disappears, and it's so I just set it like crazy up there. So that's pretty much it for like the face. I just want to keep it here. Next, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, and again, Ipsy. So I have this Orza. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna take this dirty brush that I have never washed, and I'm gonna take this like dark shade right here, and I'm gonna just do it right in like my crease in like a really messy fashion. And I try to do a little more in like right here, right in the corner, right there. Okay, that seems like it's like I got punched in the eye and it's like healing. That's the look I've always gone for. In middle school, I would literally take like purple and red eyeshadow and just... Oh, there's a picture. If I can insert the picture, I'll do it. There's a picture. I used to do that. I was a special kind of kid. Sorry for your pain. Okay. Why does that look weird? Does that look weird? I'm just staring at it too closely. You see how it just looks like just dirt up there? That's what you want. That's the look you're going for. Okay. That's about, you know, there's something on there. Okay, and then I'm going to take a different dirty brush. See? Never been cleaned in its life. Poor little dude. And I'm going to go in with, I really have been liking this, wow. I really have been liking this shade. It's like a rose gold coppery kind of color. And then with glitters, by the way, you want to just like tap it and then tap it directly onto your eye. Don't do it like a fluffy brush and then try to make it like the other one where you're just gonna blend. It won't work. It'll look like Chunk Master. Just not good, not sparkly. And you want to just tap, 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 tap. Okay, I'm gonna tap, tap, tap over here. BRB. See, that's looking like garbage fire. It's fine. Again, if anybody's judging anybody's makeup looks during quarantine, like, that person has bigger problems. Like, you should, like, pray for them. If someone's judging, you should pray for them. Okay. Why judge them back? That's what I do. So one of the meetings I have today is, like, I'm in, like, what's called a college training for, like, my church. And we've been learning about, like, Samuel and Hannah, but they were, like, separated. I don't know how to do that. Does anyone know how to do that? Separate themselves from, like, the world? I don't. The world is, like, the world. Like, I live here. If anyone has any practical advice on that, leave it in the comments. I take that same brush and I don't add any more makeup to it or like any more eyeshadow, and I kind of just blend. Okay. Then I take an eyeliner, which, by the way, I really like this eyeliner. It was the Clinique one. I think it's... I have no idea what it's called. I'll try my best to link everything down below if I remember the names to things. But I'm just gonna do my eyeliner really quick. And you have to have a stupid face. Like, if you don't have a stupid face, you're not doing it right.
I always have a stupid face now.
Then you're always doing it right.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
There.
Coffee. Thank you. So there's my eyeliner done. This e.l.f. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. It's by e.l.f. It's like a wax pencil. And I just kind of like smother my eyebrows in wax. And then I take this other really dirty, this is supposed to be a Harry Potter one. I got it as a gift from like an old friend. So by the way, I've also never washed this. I've had this for like 4 years. Deal with it. I am. Oh, wow. Up close, you can see how really bad I am at doing my eyeliner. Look at that. Oh! I'm gonna leave it alone. So I'm gonna take this color and this color, and I just kind of, I mean, that's pretty much it with my brows. I don't really do much to my brows. I kind of let them just do whatever they want to do. Okay. The next step is mascara. This is, by the way, one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof. Alright, so that's my mascara. I've been considering trying out lashes lately, but I'm sure it would be a mess, so I just... Alright, this is the last step. I'm gonna use, I know it's controversial, the Jeffree Star Brain Freeze highlight palette. It has a mirror, which I haven't taken the protector off of, and 6 different highlight shades. My favorite are, so Cocky, Gold Breaker, and Frozen Fruit are my favorites. I'm feeling a little frozen fruit today, and I just take like a fluffy tapered brush that I also got from Ipsy. It's by Luxie 640 Pro Precision, whatever. Okay, Pro Precision. It's one of those words I just can't pronounce. So I just take it and I just... And there you have it. That's my quick quarantine look. Okay, so that's it for now. Let me know in the comments what else do you want to see, if you have any suggestions of what you want me to do, challenges, games, not just makeup related content. I know a lot of people are wondering about my weight loss surgery. I still don't have any answers. I'm so sorry. I don't have a single answer for you yet. All I know is that they keep saying soon. That's all I know. So tune in. I will see you guys next time. I love you. You matter. You're beautiful. Bye.
Bye.